judge down the back.
Welcome back to Backstabbing, and today I have a professional camera recording this episode just like last episode. Today we're going to be dropping sodium metal into molten zinc metal. The first step is we need a source of zinc, and my source of zinc is US pennies. I'm gonna melt them down, and then we'll have some molten zinc, and I'm gonna scrape off the slag, you know. The second thing we need to do is we need to go into my sodium collection and cut off a little piece of sodium. I'm interested to see what will happen because I've never put sodium into like another metal environment, because imagine like how quickly those electrons can flow, you know, between the sodium and the molten zinc. I know that sodium's more reactive than zinc, so that would mean that, yeah, no, I don't, I'm just gonna throw it in, bruh. Okay, so let's go melt the pennies. I also found some other pennies in here. Equally dirty, but that will do. All right, now that I have a bunch of pennies, I need to make sure that their cores are made out of zinc metal and that they're not all copper. So let's check that right now. Although we now have less pennies to melt into zinc, we now know what pennies can be used as a source of basically pure copper. Oh wait, I can also get some zinc from other zinc sources. ZN. Okay, let's find that crucible. Should be down here. There's the crucible. All right, let's get going. But first, I'm going to wash this out. This will also be the container that we're going to throw the sodium into. Okay, let's head to the barbecue. Okay, this is a lot better. And then here's the shot that resulted. So now I'm just heating up the crucible, and then I'm gonna melt in the rest of these sources of zinc and see how much we get. All right, the last thing I need to do is prepare the sodium and then also get an oven mitt. So, no boom. Oh, nice, it made an alloy.
Come on, it's nice out here. It's nice and cool out here. Come on. It's okay. Oh, because she's scared. She's scared of being out here. Yeah, you scared the shit out of her. Okay, come on.
Bruh, this is so stuck. Do I really need to hammer this boy out? We really about to go mining. So, turns out the alloy is actually like really brittle, but also not. I mean, haven't seen many sodium zinc documentaries, but I mean, Those dark spots are actually like dimples in the alloy. My pickaxe hits didn't knock off much alloy like from the mass. I think I'm gonna pour this bit into some water and then just pour water into here. See what kind of properties it retained. See if there's any bubbling. Don't see any. Now we're gonna pour the water directly into the crucible. See if there's any gas evolution. Ooh, there is. So there is a good chance that the water reacted with unreacted sodium. Let's try again, a little bit of a better close-up here. And now I'm gonna heat up the crucible again and see if we can do a second run and see if the alloy reacts in any way to heat.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Got to know how to hold it. Like on him a rope.
I don't like dripping, but YOLO.
Potato. Do the alligator. Put your hand on your hips, yeah. Get your backbone slip. Do the 1, 2, say. Like my little Lucy.
Oh. This is like hell on earth. It's so cool.
You know I feel all right. Huh. Feel pretty good, y'all. Huh. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Come on, y'all, let's say it one more time. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah.
Whoa, sprinklers.
Long, tall Sally.
Despite what the camera is showing you, the resulting metal oxides is actually the color of like a moss, like you would see on a rainforest tree. The camera's not really doing it justice. It's actually like quite a dark green. And then another thing is this solution. It's basically the same color as lemon lime Gatorade. So with that being said, I'm pretty sure it tastes the same too. So.
Twisting with loose.
Oh, the texture is so different. Oh,
Once you hit it, once you break the crust,
then there's
so what's the crust? Okay.
that's the alloy.
Check it out how it won't run.
Yeah, you can see there's dissolved sodium. Oh my god! Whoa. Oh, there's the zinc fire. Not the best situation we're in.